So for today's video, we're going to do a Bath & Body Works candle haul. For those of you who may not know, Bath & Body Works does have their annual candle day. It's usually a couple weeks before Christmas, and pretty much their 3-wick candles are $9.95. And that's like a huge deal because they're normally $25 each. So this year I made it a point to get there bright and early, and I got me a bunch of candles because this is when I stock up for the whole year. So we're gonna jump right into this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe because I know some of you guys are watching the videos but you're not subscribing. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into it. Okay. See it? We got lots of things. First one, I cheated and I couldn't resist myself. I had to go on and burn this one last night. This is the Frosted Cranberry. So if you like sweet, it smells sweet, but it's not too sweet. I really like it. The notes on it say iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, tonka bean with essential oils. I don't know what any of that smells like, but I do know that this smells really good. I really, really like it. And if you're into, it's like sweet, but I feel like it has something else to it. Maybe it's that tonka bean. But yeah, nonetheless, this is a really good one. It's very holiday season-ish, Christmassy. It reminds me of Thanksgiving. I really like it, and that's why this one is burning. Next up, we have Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. I like this one. This is definitely a summery scent. It's sweet, but it's not overbearingly sweet. The notes are tropical passion fruit, radiant kiwi, juicy pineapple with essential oils. So one thing to note is all of these candles have essential oils in them. But when I smell this, I definitely smell the kiwi. If you like something sweet but not overbearingly sweet, like smells like candy, then you'll probably really like this one. So next up we have watermelon lemonade. I smell it in the store. I'm like, dang, that smells good. And it does smell good. It smells like, I don't know if you guys remember the gum that like we all chewed growing up, and I used to get it from Cracker Barrel from my grandparents, but it's like, yeah, that's what it smells like. Okay, so there was this gum. I'm gonna try to find it and insert a picture like right here or right here. That is exactly what this smells like. It smells good, but it is very sweet. So if you don't like sweet scents, you will not like this one. The notes on this one say watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. I can definitely smell lemon in here. Hence why it's called lemonade, watermelon lemonade. But it smells really good, but just keep in mind, if you do not like very, very sweet scents, you will not like this. I think this might be one of Bath & Body Works' sweetest scents, so keep that in mind. Next up, we have one of my favorites for the season, and that is Sweater Weather. I love this one. This has kind of a very minty smell. Yeah, it smells very minty. The notes on this one say fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic or aromatherapy, eucalyptus, fresh woods with essential oils. So this is a really good fall one. Like I don't even know why it has like the winter vibes on it, because it smells like fall. I love it. It's so good. And if you like kind of minty, yeah, if you like minty scents, then you would really like this one. Next up, we have Hibiscus Waterfalls. And the best way that I can describe this one is it smells like soap or laundry detergent. Yeah, it smells like laundry detergent. The notes on this one say tropical hibiscus, sweet nectar, peach, fresh waterfall mist with essential oils. So anytime you hear something, I don't know about you guys, but when I hear something that mentions water in the notes, it has a very distinct smell. And that's what this smells like. Like this smells like, yeah, it smells like a Downy sheet or maybe some type of laundry detergent. But I really like this one. This is really good, I feel like, for like the beginning of summer or spring, just because it just smells really clean and fresh. Next up, we have Alpine Skies. And this one reminds me of a men's cologne, and that's why I like it. I knew my boyfriend would really like it. It actually smells really similar to how he smells. It also reminds me of Mahogany Woods by Bath & Body Works, but not as strong. I think Mahogany Woods is low-key too strong for me. But this, it smells delicious. The notes on this one are grapefruit blossom, salted cedar, sweet amber with essential oils. So I definitely smell cedar in it and definitely amber. I don't really know about the grapefruit blossom. It does have like a little bit of sweetness, so maybe that's what the grapefruit is. But if you like smells that smell like a man or men's cologne, get this one. You'll like it. We're almost done. Okay, so the next one is Turquoise Waters. So honestly, I'm not a big fan of this one, but I feel like I bought it for the color. Yeah, I definitely bought this one because it's a really pretty turquoise color. And if you watched my Get to Know Me video, then you would know that turquoise is one of my favorite colors. It smells really fresh and clean, and it definitely has that same water, like, you know how with this one I mentioned that anytime you see something that shows water or waterfall or something like that in the notes, it has a very distinct smell. So like the notes on this one say coastal waves, sparkling bergamot, sun-drenched musk with essential oils. So like that coastal waves thing, it's kind of water related, and it smells good like at the first whiff, but then it's like I'm smelling something extra. I don't know, but it's not horrible. But if you're into like those fresh water scents, if you're into like those fresh like oceany, girl, if you're into like those fresh oceany scents, then you might actually really like this one. Okay, so next up we have this one. It's called Fiji White Sands. This is actually one of my boyfriend's favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I remember I used to get him the wallflowers before we lived together, and when you first smell it, it smells really tropical. It smells kind of sweet. I think it kind of smells like coconutty, but I don't know. It smells really good, but it's not too sweet. It's a very subtle sweet scent. The notes say fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, and sandalwood. So I think that I could definitely smell sandalwood, but the white nectarine is definitely, I think, where that sweet scent is coming from. So if you like summery scents that smell very tropical, almost like a pina colada maybe, I really like it, and I think if you're into this type of scent, you will like it too. The next one I got is Linen Sheets, and I really like this one. This smells so good. It's a very clean scent. I'm going to keep this for like the springtime when I first start, when you first open up your windows because you don't want to turn the AC on yet. That's when this is gonna be really good. I really like the scent. It smells very clean. I don't know if anybody uses like the Glade plugins. Yeah, the Glade plugins. They have a linen scent, and I feel like it's almost too strong. Like, this is very subtle, but it still smells clean and good. The notes on this one say, so fresh ocean air, anjo pear, violet petals, and warm vanilla. Yeah, I mean, it smells so good, and I could see maybe a little vanilla in there because it has like kind of like a sweet scent after you initially smell that clean scent. This is definitely one of my favorites, and I cannot wait until spring when I can bust this baby out. Okay, so the last one is Honeysuckle. So this one, I really like this one. It really brings back nostalgic memories for me because for my 8th grade graduation, I remember one of my gifts was the Bath and Body Works Honeysuckle like perfume, not the body spray. Someone got me the perfume. So, and I loved how it smelled. So that's what this reminds me of. It's sweet, but it definitely is floral. So some people, some people really aren't into floral scents. So if you don't like floral scents, you may not like this one. The notes are obviously sweet honeysuckle nectar, peony petals, soft creamy vanilla with essential oils. And I definitely smell vanilla in it. And I definitely smell like, I guess, honeysuckle. I've never smelled an actual honeysuckle, but I would imagine it smells like a flower. So if you want like a floral smell that smells sweet at the same time, you would really like this one. And it's a classic OG scent from Bath & Body Works. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed going over the ridiculous amount of candles that I bought, because I even bought duplicates of these scents, so I definitely went slightly overboard. But I also plan to give away some of these as gifts because we don't need all these candles, and honestly, here in a couple months I'll have a crawling baby, so I'm not going to be able to light candles, really. Bummer. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.